Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to access your Chrome Web Store on your Google Chrome browser. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing to do is open your Chrome browser. And after opening your Chrome browser, now you have to open your extension, for which click on the three dot bar that you can see right here. And after clicking on it, then you can see the option of extensions right here. So after clicking on extensions, here you can see there is the option of manage extension and visit Chrome Web. You can directly just click on visit Chrome Web in order to access the Chrome Web Store. And after clicking on it, here you can see we are on the Chrome Web Store. And from here, you can search any kind of extensions that you want in your Chrome website and apply it. And that is it. And that is how you can access Chrome Web Store on your Google Chrome browser. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.